everyone, this is the fourth video in networking series. My name is Ashwini and let's get started with understanding the question and solving it. Let's first try to set the context. So the question is my app deployment and cache deployment deployed and my app deployment exposed through a service named my app service. Create a network policy named my app network policy to restrict incoming and outgoing traffic to my app deployment pods with the following specifications. There's 4 specifications given. Allow incoming traffic only from pods. Allow incoming traffic from a specific pod with the label app equal to trusted. And allow outgoing traffic to pods. Deny all other incoming and outgoing traffic. Now, before we actually create the network policy, let's try to describe the deployment so that we can get the labels and the selector so that we can use that selector to reference the deployment in our network policy. So if you look at it, selector and the labels here is app equal to my app. Now that is how we will create a network policy to restrict incoming and outgoing traffic to the pods that are deployed using this deployment. So the selector is important here, which is app equal to my app. Let's go to network policies and I'm just going to take the first manifest because it's quite a detailed one and it's got all the specifications to different types, ports, ingress and egress, and we'll just use it and modify it to suit our question. So let's create a manifest. Name is my app network policy. So this is the label we just saw for my app deployment, which is app equal to my app. I'm typing it, but in the exam you can just copy paste it. And we need both ingress and egress, and we need to specify all the specifications that were asked. So for first specification, we do not need IP block or the namespace specification. It's only about allowing incoming traffic only from pods. So it's a from, and then the port selector, and to specify any we just use this flower brackets open and closed, and that is our first specification for ingress, to allow traffic from any only from pods, any pods. And the next one is from pods that are labeled app equal to trusted. That is our second specification. We do not need anything pods. We move on to egress, and it says allow outgoing traffic to pods. I'll just get rid of everything, just start typing it. To pod selector any. So it says allow outgoing traffic to pods. This is the specification, and deny all other incoming and outgoing traffic. So by default If you don't specify anything, it is denied, so we don't have to do anything there. And that's our manifest. And let's try to create the network policy and see, and try to, yeah, it's created. We'll just describe it. Okay, so the pod selector is app equal to my app, which selects our app deployment pods, and then we created a network policy to specify what traffic can be allowed to this pod, and it is from all pods and also from pods that are labeled with app equal to trusted, and it allows outgoing traffic to all pods, and everything else is denied. We also, okay, well, let's try to validate it. Yeah, validation is successful. There is a resource which I will mention in my description, which you can use to visualize the network policy. In case it's not clear to you. Yeah, so there is a, we just copy pasted our YAML here and visualized it, and it gives you the description of our question. And also this is the cool part where you can actually see the interest specifications, and what it targets is app equal to my app. This is the selector I was talking about, and the first specification was you are allowing it from any pod, and the second specification was you are allowing it from pods that are labeled app equal to trusted, and for outgoing it is targets again app equal to my app, and it you can just allow the traffic to any pods. So that is it. That is the end of this demo. Please like this video if you think this was useful, and I'll be sharing the KillerCoda links and my network playlist links also in the description. So yeah, that's it. Please like and subscribe my video. Thanks.